Hey guys, Sung here with a quick tutorial on how to download and set up Audacity. Audacity is a free recording software that's pretty powerful. So we're going to show you how to get it all set up. So here we go. First thing is you want to go to sourceforge.net. There are other places to find it, but this is where I got it, and the link is in the description below. Go ahead and download and save the file. And then once it's downloaded, we're going to go ahead and start the installation process, and you can see that occur on the screen. Once we get Audacity opened up, we want to go ahead and go up to the Edit menu button and down all the way down to the bottom to Preferences. Then we want to come in here and select Libraries, and you see this lame MP3 library. We want to download that. That link is going to be in the description below as well, or you can follow the pathway process that you see here. This is the latest version that's available as of this recording, so we're going to go ahead and save that file as well. Then we're going to go ahead and get it installed here in just a second. And go ahead and come back into Audacity. Now we want to tell Audacity where the lame file is. So I'm just going to show you that pathway here in a second. So on the C disk, if that's where it's been installed, you go to Program Files, x86, and then you can see it made its own folder. We want to go ahead and select that. And what this is going to do is allow Audacity to export files in an MP3 format. And what I'm doing now is taking a look at what my audio device is, so how I'm hearing things out of Audacity, but also how I'm recording. So what you want to do here is just play with some different settings. If you're wearing a set of headphones, obviously set those up if it gives it to you. And then set up some kind of a microphone. Right now, I'm just trying the default. And you can see there that there's not a lot of difference between that thin blue line and the little teeny waves that are going on there. So I'm checking the recording volume, which right now is max. And then I'm going to go ahead and change to a different recording device. I happen to have a USB recording device here at my workplace. So I switched to that one, and you'll see here in just a second the difference in the recording waves. The sound waves that are being recorded by this one is quite a bit more significant. You can see the before and after with the default device and now with the other device that I selected. So you can just go ahead and find out and just play with which one gives you the best recording. And now what I'm doing is exporting it out into an MP3. I'm going to give it a name, and then the default right here is a WAV file. You can see that as save file type as, and I'm going to change that to an MP3. Now this box here is the metadata. This is all the stuff that like iTunes would use to say this is the artist, the producer, the year it was recorded, and so forth. You can take the time to fill that out. You don't necessarily need to. If you're pairing the audio up with a video, it's not necessarily going to matter. In this case, I'm setting the sample rate to the highest rate that I possibly can, and then I hit OK. And then depending on the speed of your PC, will determine how the process works out. So that's been it. Hopefully it's been helpful. We'll see you next time.